Hey everyone, this is Geek Out Everything, and today in this video we'll be going to doing the unboxing and kind of a first impression video of this Maono condenser podcasting microphone. It's a pretty budget kind of microphone that you can get around 2,500 rupees, which is a really I would say best price for this kind of microphone. So as you can see at the back of the box we have some pricing, which is 499, but you can get it from Amazon, or I think yes, from Amazon for rupees around 2,500. I have a link in the description so you can just check that out. And one of the good thing about this microphone is that you will get all the accessories in the box itself, like boom arm and pop filter, etc. So let me just quickly unbox it and we'll show you what is hidden under the hood. And by the way, the model number is AU-A03. Yes, I think that's what it is. And there was actually no seal on the box, so yep, that's about it. So as you can see at the first we have a little quick start guide in which we have some specs, and it's accessories that you will get, and it's a little card. I don't know about it, but yeah, that's what it is now. As you can see, we have this dead kit, which is a foam dead kit. You can use it. And we also have this what do you say, pop filter. It's a pretty basic quality, not fancy or anything like that. And yeah, and underneath this foam we have some more accessories. So as I've told you, one of the good thing about this is that you will get all the accessories. Like this is the boom arm. Here we have a shock mount. You will need to put it in order to mount it to the boom arm. And yep, and here we have a XLR to aux or 3.5 headphone plug cable, and it's a aux version actually, but you can get the USB version as well. But this aux version is kind of cheaper than the USB version, but it just comes down to your personal preference. And here we have some velcro straps, so if you want to cable manage the cables of the microphone itself, you can do that, and you'll get 2 of these, so which is again pretty good thing. And now the last accessory, it's a mount for your boom arm. Yep. And now here we have a microphone itself, and the quality of the microphone looks to be really good. Like it is powder coated, made up of metal. So in terms of quality, I would say the build quality is really good. It doesn't feel like cheap microphone or anything like that. So in terms of that, yeah, Maono did a really good job. And yeah, that's about it. And the weight is also not that much. It's fine. So these are the stuffs that you will get inside the box. As you can see, you will get hell lot of stuffs. So that's a good thing. The boom arm and all that stuff, and the quality of all of these accessories is really good. Like it's not super cheap or anything like that. They are fine. So yep, and that's how it looks when you just set it up, and it's pretty easy to set this up. So that's again a pretty good thing. And if I talk about the durability of the boom arm, then the build quality is actually really good. So considering the price point of this mic, the build quality is really good. And talking about the microphone quality, here's a little sample from my friend, so you can hear that.
Hey guys, so the audio you're currently hearing to has been recorded using the Maono mic. So you guys be the judge and tell us in the comment section below what do you think about it. And the best buy link for this microphone will be given under the description box. So please check that out. That will help the channel.
So yep, that's all guys. That's for this video now, and it's a really great mic for beginners. If you are actually gonna start streaming or gonna do the voiceover for your videos, if you make YouTube videos or anything like that, then this is a go-to mic for you. And yeah, so guys, that's for this video now. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. That'll be really helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.